All right, hey you guys, I'm Jay. This is our simple how-tos. We're back, and this is going to be a little short, quick one. Hopefully, it should be. We're gonna do a box opening and put this together, and I had one of these for probably 10 or 15 years. Within the last year, this shock wore out, but it was really good. I needed another one, so let's get this one put together. Okay, so I'm going to have a link to my Amazon account in the description. Go grab one there. You can see this it adjusts from 15.5 inches to 20 3/4 inches, 300-pound capacity, which, good Lord, I hope I don't need that forever. But and it swivels 360 degrees, which that's really nice. And down here you got the tray. The trays to hold tools or nuts, bolts, whatever hardware. These things are just really handy. So anyway, okay, let's get going here. Oh, and I'm doing it in the back of the compass here because I don't have a workbench. We are going to be moving. We're going to be moving across the country, actually to the middle of the country, where I'm going to have a big garage and a shop to do all kinds of projects. So, got to work with what we have right now. All right. Let's see what the back says here. Okay, a whole lot more. Powder coated finish will prevent rust. Boo boo boo. Okay. I'm guessing it's going to mostly be done, if I remember right. Yeah. Okay, so we got the wheels on. Have directions. All right. Hopefully. Now you guys tell me if it's hard to see. Okay. Oh, very nice. Shock. Okay. All right, we'll take a glance at the directions here. Yes, we do try and follow directions if we have them. Okay, place tool tray on a flat level surface. Insert the large end of the lift cylinder into the round opening in the center of the tool tray. Okay. Place the seat over the top end of the lift cylinder. Okay. Once the seat is assembled, press down in a controlled, firm manner on the cushion to press the parts together. Make sure the seat is properly and firmly assembled before use. Okay, let's put this on the driveway here. Okay, I guess they're seated. And you know, my other one, I never had any issue with it becoming separated again, ever. So that's pretty good. So, all right. little shock there. All right, awesome. And I'm going to be using it here very shortly to help put new rear shocks on the truck. Look for that video. Got some heavy duty Monroe shocks, but this is gonna be a short one. That was easy, you guys. But anyway, check out the link in my Amazon and the link in the description to get one for yourself. And love you guys. I got some more projects coming here too. Been busy, so they're probably gonna get a slew of them. So love you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.